Okay, let's just jump right in. What if I told you there's a fundamental secret about how the entire universe works, and it all boils down to just one word? A single word that completely flips everything you think you know about reality on its head. And that word? It's quantum.
So just for a second, think about it. When you picture energy, like the light coming from your screen right now, what do you see in your head? Is it this smooth, continuous wave kind of flowing like water? Or is it more like a stream of tiny individual particles, like little bullets?
Most of us, our gut instinct is to go with the smooth wave. It feels right, doesn't it? That's the classic way of looking at the world. But here's the kicker. It's really just a very, very convincing illusion. Yeah, that's the idea we all grew up with, right? That energy is like a ramp. You can have any amount of it. You can just slide up and down smoothly. It's continuous, it's seamless, totally uninterrupted. But that simple intuitive picture, it's about to get completely shattered. Because what if that idea isn't just a little bit off, but totally, fundamentally wrong? What if the universe doesn't actually work like a smooth ramp at all, but something more like a set of stairs? And this, right here, brings us to the quantum shift. This is a whole new way of seeing everything. It's where we throw out that smooth illusion and replace it with a much weirder, but way more accurate picture of how things actually work. So, what does this big, kind of intimidating word quantum even mean? Well, it's actually incredibly simple. To steal a line from the physicist Michio Kaku, it means you chop it up. That's it. That's the secret. You take something that looks smooth and you realize it's actually made of individual, countable pieces. This is the whole revolution in the nutshell. We're getting rid of that idea of a smooth, flowing river of energy. Instead, we've got a reality that's made of distinct, separate packets. It's not a flow. It's more like a series of tiny bursts. Okay, so if energy is chopped up, then what are the pieces? What do we call these little packets of energy? Well, it's time to meet the star of our show, the fundamental building block of light and energy itself, the photon. Let's just break this down real simple. Step 1, we got to accept that energy isn't smooth. Forget the ramp. Step 2, we understand it comes in these little chopped up quantum pieces. And step 3, we give those little pieces a name, and that name is photons. So here's the main takeaway. A photon is just one single, indivisible piece of energy. The light you're seeing from your screen right now, it's not a wave washing over you. No way. It's a constant barrage of trillions of these individual photon particles hitting your eyes every single second. But this idea, it's so much bigger than just light. When you scale this up, you realize that we live in a universe built entirely out of these tiny, fundamental particles. And that realization, well, that changes absolutely everything. See, at its most basic, fundamental level, the universe isn't some smooth painting. It's more like one of those incredible pointillist paintings, made of millions of tiny dots. It is a world of particles interacting with other particles. There's nothing, and I mean nothing, truly continuous about it.
And look, this isn't just some abstract theory. This is the foundation of all of modern physics. Michio Kaku put it perfectly. All the universe is based on particles, nothing continuous. It's a particle world, from top to bottom, period.
So, the next time you look at a beam of sunlight, just remember, it's not a smooth wave. It's a stream of countless tiny bullets of energy. And that leaves us with one last kind of mind-bending question. If something as basic as energy isn't what it seems, what else are we looking at every day that's just a grand illusion?